Hi, I'm Elena Faye, freelance fashion illustrator, watercolor artist, and creator of ElenaFaye.com. Watercolor has always been my favorite medium to work with. Some of the things I love about watercolor is how fluid, versatile, and sometimes unpredictable it is. There are many ways to use watercolors. It can be intimidating at the beginning, but with some tips and tricks, you'll understand how to work with this medium, how to use different brushes, create layers and textures, and also mix it with different medium. This is a great beginner's class because we're gonna cover a lot of different things. We'll go through basic color theory, color mixing, you will learn how to use your brushes, and we'll cover different techniques such as blending and dipping. By the end of the class, you'll be able to create your own beautiful watercolor illustration and, most importantly, find your creative confidence. If you've never held a brush in your life, don't worry, I will show you fun and simple techniques that will make you to fall in love with watercolors. And if you're not a beginner, but you want to improve your skills, you are in the right place. I can't wait to show you how to put a unique twist to your watercolor illustrations. So get your brushes ready and let's do this!